So I'm Nicole. I work with First Focus and we've been a Thread partner for, I think, 3 years now. So we have offices in every major city in Australia. We are Australia-wide. Our main head office is in Sydney. Look, we have some vendors that are pretty difficult to work with. Thread is not one of them. It is, even in the dead of night, if we're having a problem, I know the Thread team will get back to us, especially if it's urgent. We're using a lot of the major features from Thread, specifically the Auto Categorizer has been amazing. It's significantly improved the categorization of our tickets and saved a lot of time in the team. We're getting to start to use the AI features as well, which has been fantastic. We're seeing a huge number of closes, being able to push clients back to the right areas to even use some self-service stuff. We're lucky that we have a team and a business that are really technology forward, and a lot of people are really excited. We are working pretty hard to create a culture and an environment where we want to be AI first. We want to be using the AI tools. We want to be building things that make things happen faster. We're finding people are keen to get that boring, everyday nonsense work. Nobody wants to reset passwords anymore. I'm sick of it. Everyone's sick of it. You're wasting your own time not doing it now. There are so many savings on the table from the Thread tool set. We've already seen a significant improvement in the amount of time that the service desk is spending doing nonsense work and removing that out of their way. It's your own time.